Hello，大家好，我係若曦。
各位好，我係馮偉倫醫生。我哋呢度係西麗珊醫院恆康中心。我哋係一個立足於社區，專門為65歲以上嘅華裔長者以及佢哋嘅照顧者提供心理同埋精神健康嘅服務嘅。我哋中心係喺士嘉堡呢個 Midland 同埋 Manico。我哋提供好多唔同方面嘅服務啦，包括有精神科專業嘅評估啦，亦都係有心理治療師嘅心理輔導嘅服務啦，亦都有唔同嘅身心保健、身心康泰嘅服務。我哋嘅目標係希望透過我哋用中文嘅服務，同埋糅合咗我哋華裔文化元素嘅一個全方位服務，去服務我哋華人嘅社區嘅。咁今日我哋有一個中心嘅25週年開放日，我哋想同社區人士係介紹下我哋中心喺25年嚟做咗嘅嘢啦，我哋嘅服務，亦都係為大家解答一啲問題嘅。咁希望各位係鼎力支持，多謝各位。
我係恆康中心嘅經理蔡雅儀，咁我本身係一個社工嚟嘅嚇，咁我好高興啦嚇，即係今日啦，我哋咧中心發展到去25週年嚇。喺25年前咧，我哋咧係由一個咧小嘅診所嚇，咁喺呢一個市中心嗰度嘅嚇，咁直至到後來咧，我哋咧喺2001年攞到政府嘅即係funding啦嚇，咁我哋咧就正式喺士嘉堡華人社區呢一個咧聚居最多嘅華人社區咧，度開設咗我哋呢一個恆康中心。咁我哋呢個中心咧有跨團隊嘅即係醫療小隊嘅嚇，有精神科醫生啦，有護士啦，亦都有社會工作者嘅嚇。咁我喺我哋呢一個中心裏邊咧，除咗咧係提供呢一個診症嘅服務之外咧，我哋亦都會係有一個身心康泰嘅活動，同埋一啲嘅小組。譬如我哋而家最近咧有呢一個水彩畫班啦，有呢一個咧55呢一個身心康泰嘅班啦嚇，亦都咧有呢一個咧我哋叫做談天說地嘅小組。咁呢一啲小組咧，其實咧係希望可以幫到我哋嘅長者或者係照顧者咧，可以投入社會裏邊，減低呢一個咧即係社區嘅即係social isolation 啊，即係所謂社區嘅距離啦嚇，可以多啲投入喺社會裏邊，令到佢哋嘅身心咧都會係比較好啲嘅。
Such a pleasure to be here today to celebrate the 25th anniversary of the Seniors Wellness Center. From the past to the present and to the future, this clinic provides such specialized, culturally competent, language-specific care to seniors in Toronto, in Markham, in Scarborough, and we're just so fortunate to be here today to celebrate the work of our clinicians, of our leadership team, and really to also recognize our community partners who make this work possible. So just thank you to everyone who's here today to celebrate, and to our teams. Thank you for the dedicated work that you do each and every day, and here's to the next 25 years.